Well, I cleaned up one yard so far. I cleaned up this part of the baby yard. Over there I found a snake, a very bad snake, a copperhead. It came from over next door from the neighbors cleaning up their yard. Oh, I hate when that happens and all those nasty things come over here. It freaks me out. If it was a mouse, no big deal. My chickens will kill them. So, but if it was a snake, they give me the alert. And that little sucker, that little boy there, that one that she has, thought he could be the big man and tried to rescue the day. I said, you're going to get yourself killed. Get back. And then I ended up, catching it with my flat shovel right there. But the ground's so soft, I couldn't cut it. So I used my trusty old little puncture shears like this to kill that dang nasty snake. Oh, but anyway, Mom says, I can't believe you killed it. It didn't even bite you? No, well, I didn't give it the chance to. Well, I know better. I know not to let things try to bite me. I wouldn't want to have to go to the hospital for some stupid thing like that.